Nestled in the serene embrace of rural Hilton, along the prestigious Hilton College Road, lies an exceptional property designed for those who seek an elevated lifestyle. Welcome to a world where luxury meets tranquility. A sprawling 10,000 square meter estate with unmatched amenities and a captivating landscape. Priced at 16 million rand, this estate is more than just a home. It's a sanctuary with 5 spacious bedrooms and 4 exquisite bathrooms. Each corner of this residence is crafted for comfort and elegance. 12 garages await, providing ample space for every treasured vehicle and recreational need. For equestrian enthusiasts, this property offers stabling and dedicated accommodation for grooms, a rare feature that makes this estate an equestrian dream come true. Imagine afternoons spent riding in the crisp country air, with dedicated workshops and a potential flat to accommodate extended family or guests. As you move through the estates, you'll be captivated by the breathtaking north-facing views stretching towards the majestic mountains, a constant reminder of nature's beauty surrounding you. For those looking to expand their vision, The estate offers a unique opportunity to acquire up to 3 additional plots, each spanning 10,000 square meters, perfect for building a legacy or cultivating an equestrian haven. The estate offers the best of both worlds. A peaceful rural settings, it's just minutes away from essential amenities and conveniences. Located nearby, the Hilton Life Private Hospital provides top-notch medical care and peace of mind. With a reputation for excellent healthcare services, residents can enjoy the convenience of having quality health care just a short drive away. For everyday essentials and lifestyle shopping, the Hilton Quarry Center is within easy reach. The vibrant shopping complex hosts a pharmacy, Woolworths, and various restaurants and shopping boutiques, offering everything from groceries and unique finds all in one place. The Avenue Centre, another local favorite, complements the quarry with even more shopping and dining options. This added convenience allows residents to enjoy the comforts of both rural and modern amenities, creating a lifestyle of unparalleled ease and accessibility. This rural Hilton estate combines the beauty of nature with the convenience of modern life. Don't miss the chance to own this exceptional property, where every day feels like a getaway. Interested in experiencing the charm of Castleview Estate for yourself? Contact Seaview Property Tours to arrange a private tour and explore what this extraordinary property has to offer. Phone 076 914 4017, or you can email enter777@gmail.com. For social media, follow Seaview Property Tours on TikTok and YouTube.